Hi, Tangsedaos. Please have a seat first.
Alright.
Sedaos, please take a look first.
What's this?
This one is blueprint of your house.
I don't understand this.
Alright then, I will explain to you. This one is called garage, this one is family room, this one is library, and this one is the bedroom.
Look, I'm not an architect. You can't expect me to understand all of this.
I think I need to use AR details.
If you look through these designs, I'm confident you cannot imagine the physical of this house. Let me show how to use AR for this design. Just scan the blueprint. Your physical house design will appear on your smartphone. With AR, you can tap and look into the interior and exterior design of the blueprint through your smartphone.
Now I'm interested. I think I want to buy this house.
See, with using AR, you can see the physical of this house.